It's so easy and fast. The most delicious chicken dinner for the whole family. For this recipe, we will need 2 chicken breasts. Cut them into pieces, this way, and then carefully dice. Tell me how you cook chicken in your house. I'd love to know your recipe. Now put the chicken in a bowl. Take some ginger and cut into small pieces this way. Then add 1 teaspoon of ginger into the bowl, 2 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, Now add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and stir again. And let marinate for 10 minutes. We'll need 2 onions. Cut them in half and then slice them this way. We're also going to use 1 red bell pepper, cut into strips, then 1 green bell pepper, cut it the same way into strips and then into dice. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, the chicken, and let fry. You guys, this chicken recipe is very delicious. Make it at home for your family. I'm sure everyone will love it. After frying,